In the perspective of Bangladesh, I would say that actually in our national curriculum, there is not that much proper practical lessons that can build up their confidence. So confidence building in Bangladesh is very rare. If our syllabus is practical, if our syllabus can arrange from a daily life basis, I think everyone will be able to communicate, because our syllabus is not practical. Government should take a step to make it more practical.
At this moment, we are making videos, English videos. Is it important for learners to improve English for making videos?
Of course, like I have already said, because speaking is the output, listening is the input. So those who are watching our video right now, they are practicing the listening. If they follow us, their listening skill will be improved. And after listening, they will try to follow us. They will try to take our sentences. They can practice from our speech. So the more they listen, the more they get acquainted with the speeches, and that speeches can bring them the opportunity to become a great speaker. Because speaking depends on your listening.
Nowadays, the English teachers, they say, please make videos with your smartphone. Why teachers say to make videos for the students?
Okay, video making, I think, is a great way to present yourself. Because I have found so many people have public presentation phobia, stage phobia. In English, we can say that they are not comfortable, they are not confident to face millions of people, to address large audience. So if you want to overcome that stage phobia or kind of difficulty, if you improve our troublesome experience, if you overcome our hesitation, video making can help you to become more natural speaker. Because when you are making your video, you have to talk in any way, at any cost. So video making can remove your shyness. It can help you to remove your hesitation.